Good afternoon, students. So today we solve some more problems on differential equation when f of x is not equal to 0. So in the last class we have seen the solution of differential equation when f of x is only e raised to ax and when f of x is only sin ax or cos ax, and when f of x is an algebraic function, okay, and then when f of x is of the form e raised to ax into v, and where v is a function of x. So all these types of problems we have seen in the last class. So today we see the solution of the ordinary differential equation when f of x is sin square x. When f of x is sin square x. So now see here, first we write the given differential equation d square plus 4 into y equal to sin square x. Next we write the auxiliary equation m square plus 4 equal to 0. So on solving this we get m is equal to plus or minus 2i. Okay. Then the general solution we write as c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x, because alpha here, the alpha part is 0. Okay. Only we have beta. So e raised to alpha x, alpha means 0 means e raised to 0x is 1. So c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. So this is the general solution. Next we go to particular integral 1 divided by d square plus 4 into 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2x. Okay, so now here while finding the particular integral is actually it is given by 1 divided by d square plus 4 into this sin square x. Here remember that the particular integral is nothing but the value of y in this expression. How to calculate the value of y? So if this is the given equation, if I want to find the value of y, what I do, I write y is equal to this goes to denominator. So 1 divided by d square plus 4 sin square x. So same thing here, we write particular integral. It is 1 divided by d square plus 4 into this sin square x. Now we know we have the rule for finding the particular integral when f of x is sin ax or cos ax. We have that only. We don't have any rule when f of x, finding the particular integral when f of x is sin square ax or cos square ax or sin cube ax or cos cube ax, right? So in that case what we do, we convert the given function in the form of single degree. So here this sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2 by using trigonometric identities. Okay, so now we operate on this 1 by 1. So which is 1 by 2 into 1 by d square plus 4 into 1 minus 1 by d square plus 4 1 by 2 into cos 2x. Okay, so now here this is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by d square plus 1. Now in this case 1 by d square plus 4 into 1 can be written as 1 by d square plus 4 into this 1 is same as e raised to 0x, which is equal to, now here f of x is e raised to ax where a is 0. So therefore by using first rule replace d by 0, so it gives 1 by 4. E raised to 0x is 1, so it is 1 by 4. Similarly we take the second one, 1 by d square plus 4 cos 2x, here should be cos 2x, it should be cos 2x, make it as a cos 2x equal to, now when f of x is cos ax, then we know how to find its particular integral, that is replace d square by minus a square. So it is minus a square means minus 4, so minus 4 here plus 4 gives 0. So when the denominator becomes 0, again what we do, we multiply with x, then divided by, differentiate this with respect to capital D, which gives 2d cos 2x. Now x by 2 you take it outside, then 1 by d cos 2x, 1 by d means integration. So integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2, so which gives x sin 2x by 4. So this is the particular integral. Therefore particular integral is 1 divided by 8. Add these two. So the particular integral of first and the particular integral of the second, when you add these two, we get 1 by 8 minus x by 8 sine 2x. So this is the particular integral, and hence the solution is y is equal to the general solution, that is c1 cos 2x plus c2 sine 2x plus the particular integral. So this is the total solution of the given differential equation. In the same way, we solve the problem d cube minus 3d square plus 9d minus 27 into y cos 3x. Okay, so here the given equation is this one. Auxiliary equation m cube minus 3m square plus 9m minus 27 equal to 0. Now here the first and second term take m minus 3. This can be split up as m minus 3 into m square plus 9, which is equal to 0. Now solve this equation, we get 3 roots. 1 is 3, 3i and minus 3i. So complementary function, general solution is c1 e raised to 3x for this first root, plus for the other two roots they are complex but alpha part is 0, so it is c2 cos 3x plus c3 sin 3x. Okay, so this is the general solution. Now we find the particular integral. So particular integral is given by 1 divided by d cube minus 3d square plus 9d minus 27 cos 3x. Now here cos 3x is there, so we replace d square by minus a square. So when we replace d square by minus a square, the denominator term becomes 0. The denominator term becomes 0. In that case, okay, so now in that case what we do, we multiply the first term, this x, with x, and we differentiate this with respect to capital D. Okay, this is one method. Multiply x this with x and then differentiate this with capital D. Okay, and after differentiating, substitute wherever d square is there minus a square, and then again we have to rationalize, multiply and divide by as we did in the last two problems. Okay, so and continue with that. So that is also correct. And another method is that particular integral is equal to 1 divided by, now this is can be split as d square plus 9 into d minus 3, as already we split here while finding the general solution. So we have split up this as m minus 3 into m square plus 9. The same thing we do here, d square plus 9 into d minus 3 into cos 3x. Now this is equal to 1 divided d square plus 9 as it is. Okay, now here in this case we multiply and divide by d plus 3. So d plus 3, 1 divided by this also d plus 3, so d square minus 9 cos 3x. Now which is equal to minus 1 by 18. Okay, minus 1 by 18. Why 1 by 18? Because here we we replace d square by minus a square. So minus a means 3, minus a square means minus 9, minus 9 minus 9 minus 18. So minus 1 by 18, this gives 1 by 18 into 1 divided by d square plus 9, this, and then d plus 3 of cos 3x. Now operate this d plus 3 on cos 3x, which gives 3 into differentiation of cos 3x is minus sin 3x plus 3 cos 3x, which is equal to, again simplifying, take 3 common, then divide it by minus 1 by 6 into d square plus 9, 1 divided by d square plus 9 into cos 3x minus sin 3x. Okay, now 1 by d square plus 9 cos 3x is same as x by 6 sin 3x, and similarly 1 by d square plus 9 sin 3x is same as minus x by 6 cos 3x. So therefore substitute this formula here and we get, substitute this formula here and we get particular integral as minus x by 6 into sine 3x plus cos 3x. So general solution is y is equal to general solution plus particular integral. So this is the total solution of the given differential equation. So similarly we solve this type of problem. Solve d square plus 6t plus 9 into y equal to e raised to 3x into x square plus 7x plus 5. Okay, now we find general solution. We find first, so which gives two roots 3 comma 3. Write the general solution when the two roots are repeated. So c1 plus c2x e raised to 3x. Again find the particular integral. 1 divided by d square plus 6d plus 9 e raised to 3x, x square plus 7x plus 5. Now as I already told, this is of the form e raised to ax into v. So when f of x is e raised to ax into v, so we take e raised to 3x outside and we replace here d by d plus 3. d plus a means here 3. So a plus a, and operate it on x square plus 7x plus 5, which is a algebraic function. Okay, then we obtain, simplify this, we get 1 by d square. So this 1 by d square can be written 1 by d into 1 by d. So e raised to 3x, we write 1 by d as it is, and 1 by d means what? Integration. So integrate this, we will get this one. Then we again write e raised to 3x as it is, again we integrate this and we will get this equation, and therefore finally we obtain this one, which is a particular integral for the given differential equation. And hence the general solution, the total solution is general solution plus particular integral. So this is the final solution. Okay, so with this I conclude this class and continue in the next class. Thank you.